Morning students, today we have to start lesson 13, that is pronouns. Okay, as we have done nouns, now today we have to do pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. As noun you have already done. Noun means the name of person, place, animal or thing. Okay, or we can say the naming word that are called as noun. So the words that we use in place of nouns are called as pronouns. So see this, like I, we, he, she, him, her. All these are the words that are used in place of noun, the naming words. So let's read about Piku to understand pronouns better. So see this example. Piku is a small boy. Piku goes to school. Piku is very naughty, but the teachers love Piku. Then again and again, Piku is a noun, name of a person. So it is a noun, but using it again and again. So Piku word is used again and again in these sentences. Piku is a small boy. Piku goes to school. Piku is very naughty. So again, this word is used here again and again. Doesn't sound right? So let's read this sentence now. Piku is a small boy. He goes to school. He is very naughty, but the teachers love him. So in this sentence, the word that are used in place of Piku, because for male gender we have to use he. So Piku is the boy, so we use he here. He goes to school. He is very naughty, but the teachers love him. Okay, so we have to use here he and him. Now I will tell you how to use these words in place of the naming words. See this? So which words you have to use in place of naming words? Like I, we, he, she, it, they, me, us, him, her, you, them. First of all, you must know these words like I, you, okay, he, she, it, we, they. Okay, these are the words that I have underlined. These are the words that are used as a subject pronouns. So first of all, before starting this, you must know about the subject pronouns. Okay, that are used at the beginning of the sentence. These words like I, we, he, she, it, they, you. So these are the words that we can use at the beginning of the sentence like this. And it is used for a non-living thing when we are talking about any non-living thing, and it is also used for an animal or baby when we don't know that it's a boy or a girl, then also we can use it. And see this. See this example. First of all, I am going to tell you by taking this example. We went to grandma's house to visit her. So in this sentence, I will take this example to tell you about the subject pronouns and the object pronoun. So we went to grandma's house. So in this we, subject pronoun क्या है? I have told you I, we, he, she, it, they, you. These are the subject pronouns. The nouns that perform the action in a sentence. जब किसी sentence में like we, यहाँ पर किसकी बात हो रही है? Who has done the action? Subject and object you know ना? Subject means that who has done this action? We. We means when you are talking about yourself and one or more people. जब आप एक से ज़्यादा लोग बात कर रहे हैं, when you are talking about yourself also and more than one people. So you can use we here as a pronoun. We went to grandma's house to visit her. So when we you went to grandma's house, Then what we have to do? We have to use we, subject pronoun हम beginning of the sentence use करते हैं, like we have used we, and these are the object pronouns. Like we have, for object pronouns we use me, us, him, her, and it also. Okay, them. Okay, these are the object pronouns that we can use at the end of the sentence. Okay, and it we can use as object also and subject pronoun also. So see this example, I have taken this. We went to grandma's house to visit her. So in this we have used we at the beginning. We went to grandma's house to visit her. For grandma, for as a female gender we use her. Okay, if we have to use as an object, then we use for female gender she, and for the object means at the end, if we have to use the female gender, we have to use her. Okay, we went to grandma's house to visit her. And so subject pronouns are the pronouns that perform the action in a sentence, like I, you, he, she, it, we. Okay, we have used here. And subject आपको ये याद रखना है, subject come before the verb in the sentence. So in this we went, we are going somewhere, we went to grandma house to visit her. Okay, so subject जो है, it is used, subject is used before the verb, that you are going somewhere. So you are going somewhere, it is used before the verb, and object कब use होगा? After the verb. Okay, like her is used after the verb. So in this, when any other example will come, then I will tell you about the how we have to use her, his, him. So but simply you must know about the pronouns, that pronouns are the word that are used in place of noun. Like in this, I am not feeling well. I, you have to underline I is the pronoun. They were talking to each other. So in this, they is used when you are talking about two or more people. Okay, then you have to use they. They were talking to each other. They is a pronoun. And mummy and I went to see the play. So in this, I is a pronoun. Okay, when you are talking about yourself, that mummy and you went to see the play, so I is a pronoun. It is a comic book when we are talking about things, places, and animals. And also the baby name, when you don't know whether it is male or female, then you have to use it. We cleaned the porch after the storm. We is the pronoun here. The book is interesting and as it talks about wild animals. So it is a pronoun here. So let's see the another page. It is a new bag. Here it is a pronoun. For things we have to use in place of naming words. It is a new bag. She asked me about the holiday plans. Okay, he is used for male gender and she is used for female gender. And you for person, people you are talking to. Okay, Nisha is absent today. She is unwell. So we have used here she in place of Nisha. Nisha is absent today. She is unwell. So Varun is a good boy. You have to use pronouns in place of the words in bold. So bold letters are given here. Okay, you have to use in place of these bold letters the pronouns. Varun is a good boy. Varun is my friend. Varun is a boy or a girl. So we have to use he. Sonia is my friend. Sonia is reading a book. So what we have to use for Sonia? She. Bob is a small boy. Bob is 4 years old. Bob is a boy. He is 4 years old. So what we have to use here? He. Okay. Mrs. Sen is our class teacher. Mrs. Sen teaches English. So here also we have to use she. She teaches English. The girl is crying. She is hungry. Okay, I will send you the answer key also. Just understand it. The bag is heavy with school books. I can't carry the bag. So the bag is heavy for the thing. What you have to use? The bag is heavy with school books. I can't carry it. Veena is my sister. She studies in my school. Sony is a singer. He is my neighbor. Ritu promised to clean the table, but she forgot. Okay, for female gender we have to use she, and for male he. The baby is laughing. It is happy because as I have told you, when we don't know whether it is male or female, then we have to use it here. Then is look at the pictures and write what you see. Okay, Dash is dancing. She. You can see this is a girl. Dash is brushing his teeth. Boy, na? So we can use he is brushing his teeth. Then Dash is writing. Means more than one. Then what we have to use? They are writing. And when if this picture comes, Dash is roaring. It means animals, we have to use it. It is roaring. Dash is sleeping, she is sleeping. More than one boy is playing, then we have to use they. They are playing. Okay, and in this simply you must know that what to use for male gender and female gender, he, she, it, they, them. Okay, you know this, how to use this. So Vinita will dance at the function. For Vinita, what we will use? She. The squirrel and the monkey play together. For squirrel and monkey, so we are talking about two things. So they are good friends. Mummy loves to read. She reads in a library. Gopu is a cow. It gives 2 liters of milk every morning. For animal, we have to use it. The lion roared and it was angry. Okay, for lion we also have to use it. A mobile phone is useful, but sometimes mobile phone, for thing we have to use it. It becomes a problem. The duckling is happy because it has learned to swim. Reena and Tina promised me that they would join me for dinner. For more than one, we have to use they. Okay? And practice these exercises. Simply you must know about the pronouns, that what we have to use in place of male gender, female gender, and when we are talking about more than one. Okay? Simply you will get these type of simple sentences. Okay students, thank you, and practice these exercises.